Hello everyone! For today's video is we will be unboxing this parcel. At samahan niyo po ako kung ano po ang laman nitong ating parcel. Okay? Let's open it up! Sa palagay ninyo, ano kayang laman nitong ating binubuksan or ina-unbox? May guess ba kayo? Okay! Ayan na. Bilisan natin sa pag-open dahil excited na ang bawat isa. Ayan na, nabuksan na. Charan! Because Momsy is starting a new venture. Ayan, mag-online selling na lang po tayo ng mga bags like this. Okay, let's check kung kumpleto ba yung ating in-order. Ayan, the apricot color, the coffee color, and another design of Coach bag. Sling bag po ito. Ayan. And another one, ayan, this is a Lacoste sling bag, khaki color, and a gray one, and natural color yung next. Okay, kompleto po. Walang labis, walang kulang. Charan! Diba? Kagagandang box. Oh, let's open. Check natin kung may defect ba or wala. So mukhang okay naman po ang ating mga na-order na bags, kompleto at walang mga defects, and sana ay maibenta po natin lahat. At kung hindi ka pa po nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe and like this video, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next videos. Salamat! Thanks for watching! God bless!